How to delete contact poster on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. It will navigate us to the Contacts Lists page, which organizes your contacts into different lists for easier access, like all iCloud or any custom lists you've created. From here, tap on the list that contains the contact you want to update. It will open up the details page of that specific contact. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Over here, tap on Edit below the contact photo. Now, you can see all the contact posters that are available. Tap on the poster you want to delete and it will move up and display a delete button. Then, tap on the delete icon at the bottom. Tap on delete again to confirm. Finally, tap on done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily delete a contact poster on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.